Let's unbox the Dog E, the 1 in a million dog robot. This is a very, very exciting toy, and I am thrilled to open it up. But one thing to keep in mind is every single one is different. When I unbox this, it's gonna have a unique color, collar, tongue, ear placement. Each one is its own unique dog. So let's see what I got. Here's how it comes. Now to start off with, you get this quick start guide. I love that it's fully laminated and it gives you everything you want to know about the Dog E and how to play with it. Really user-friendly. And then here's the dog itself. It charges with USB-C. I got the blue collar with the purple bone, the purple toy bone, and my dog came with black and white ears. Now here it is close up. I can actually move these a little bit even though it's not on. This will light up with the eyes, and it looks like I have a blue tongue on mine. We got the speaker right here. On the bottom, it has a little rubbery round wheels on it to move about. And right here, you have your on-off switch and your USB-C charging port. And then the tail right here communicates quite a lot. It's also interesting, you can actually see all the different components that make up the tail, which is really quite fun since this is also a coding game. There is a lot to unpack here. But to start off with, let's see what it does right out of the box. I'm gonna check to see if it has any charge by turning it on. Definitely does. When I rub it on its head, its tail will wag and it will communicate through the tail. It actually has little light up signals that happen in the tail. They go really fast, but it's giving me a heart right now. I can also press the nose and that will light up the paw colors. And then I can play with the magnetic bone. I can give it to it. It clearly likes its bone. And I can also touch both sides of it, giving it a rub. And then I'll bark, and I'll have a little heart color show up here. Now its tail communicates what it wants. Right now it really wants me to pet it. It still wants to be pet more. Maybe it wants to be pet on the head. Ooh, it likes that. Now it's giving me hearts. And now it's giving me a picture of its bone, which means it wants to play. And now it's trying to run away with the bone, but I have it on a table, so I'm picking it up. It definitely moves fast when it starts moving, so next time I'll put it on the floor. But as you can see, its tail communicates what it wants. It's very communicative, very fun to play with. And it also has a full app where you can code, where you can do so much more. But this is what it's like right out of the box. The Dog E. Your kids are going to love it. Be sure you're comfortable with all of the interactive sounds and demands this playful robotic dog will have.